In today's video, I'm going to teach you to use an American Express gift card on Uber Eats. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set it up so your order goes through smoothly the first time. Start by getting your card ready with American Express. Head to the American Express gift card website and register the card. During registration, add a full billing address. This step matters because Uber Eats uses address verification to confirm the card is legitimate. Without a registered address, the payment may fail. While you're there, check your card balance so you know how much you can spend. Keep in mind, your total on Uber Eats includes food, taxes, fees, and tip, so you'll want a little cushion to avoid declines. Next, open the Uber Eats app. Go to your wallet or the payment section. If you don't see it right away, tap your account icon and look for wallet from there. You're going to add the American Express gift card just like a regular card, not as a gift card. Tap Add Payment Method, then choose Credit Debit Card. Do not pick the gift card option in Uber Eats. That's only for Uber-issued gift cards and won't work with an American Express gift card. Enter your American Express gift card information exactly as it appears, the card number, expiration date, and security code. When prompted for the billing address, make sure it matches the address you registered on the American Express site, down to the zip code and any apartment or unit number. A mismatch is one of the most common reasons transactions get declined. Save the card to your wallet. When you're ready to order, build your cart as usual. At checkout, select your American Express gift card as the payment method before you place the order. Double check that your card balance can cover the full total, including taxes, delivery fees, and the tip you plan to leave. Uber Eats typically does not allow split payments, and partial authorizations won't go through, so if the total is higher than the balance, the payment will fail. If that happens, reduce your cart, adjust the tip before placing the order, or use another payment method. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Sometimes apps place a small temporary authorization to verify the card. That's normal and falls off automatically. If you see a decline, recheck your address details and balance, then try again. And that's it. Now you know how to use an American Express gift card on Uber Eats. Happy ordering, happy